Thank you for joining us for the Quick Hit video series presented by Eaton Wiring Devices. Our mission is to provide short training videos on a variety of topics related to electrical connectivity and safety. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can receive notifications of new videos as they become available. In this introduction, we'll give a view from 30,000 feet on how wiring devices are the gateway to the grid. Now, what exactly does that mean, gateway to the grid? Let's begin by saying that there's a lot of infrastructure that makes up the electrical power grid. Starting at the generating station that sends bulk power through transmission lines, substations, and distribution transformers, all the way down to the load center in a home or the switchgear in a manufacturing plant. And more often than not, somewhere at the end of the line is a wiring device, which is where most people safely meet and utilize the electricity provided by their local power company. Hence the moniker, gateway to the grid. People approach the grid in a variety of ways depending upon the application and specific requirements. Consequently, wiring devices come in many different forms, different types and configurations, different electrical and environmental ratings, and even different colors. The first thing to consider is the market in which the wiring device will be used. The four major market segments, residential, commercial, industrial, and healthcare, each have requirements based on a balance between service duty, cost, agency listings, and other factors. Here's a breakdown of how these requirements differ in each market. The next thing to consider is the specific function of each device. As we'll see later, there's a lot of variety in the world of wiring devices. But everything can be classified into four basic functional groups: deliver, access, control, and complement. A simple demonstration will help to explain these terms. Receptacles deliver electricity. They are the most common delivery point in any power distribution system. A plug on the end of a power cord is the primary means by which we access electricity to power our equipment. Switches control the flow of electricity by turning the power on or off. Accessories, such as this wall plate, complement devices from any one of the other three groups. Here's a broad overview of residential and commercial devices. The same functional groups apply to industrial and healthcare devices, but here you'll notice additional types such as locking, hospital grade, and motor control. These devices also tend to be rated for more extreme environments and service duties. Here's a collection of industrial and healthcare devices. In conclusion, wiring devices, in their many different forms, are where we safely meet and utilize electrical power. They are the gateway to the grid. Thanks again for joining us. If you're in the Gulf region and want to learn more about Eaton wiring devices, please contact our agent in your area. There's also a link to each agent website in the section below this video window. And please, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.